Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you the blurry bright tutorial on EPIK Photo Editor. So here, if you guys want to add the blurry bright effect, just follow the step that I'm about to tell you. So import your photo, and then on EPIK, just go to effects, and then under the blur effect, find the blurry bright right here. So just click on that and the effects will be automatically applied to your video. You can adjust it, you can adjust the brightness and also the blur. So I'm going to reduce the brightness and also add the blur. Okay, I'm going to reduce the brightness into like 20, and the blur I'm going to add it into 80, like this. Okay, you can also add some filters, or you can also make some adjustment. That's up to you, but I'm going to just go like this. So here is the before and here is the after. You can just click on this to save your photo. Okay guys, so that's all from me. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think this video is helpful, please don't forget to click like and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next following videos. Bye.